Hi everyone, I'm SUHUI Yang from Ping'an Smart Health, China.
My name is Cheng Guanju.
I'm Jun Wang. I'm a research engineer in PN Smart Health.
I want to express my sincere gratitude to the organizers for providing such a great platform for us to participate in, so as we can try to solve some of the most cutting-edge problems.
And according to our experience, I want to share 3 key points to improve the performance. The first one is the data exploration, to understand the data. The second one is to get familiar with the evaluation metrics and the deep learning model optimization skills. And the third one is model assembly. And we hope this kind of a challenge can improve the clinical process in the early cancer detections and treatment.
We were the final champion. Our team was very excited. We hope that the organizer can hold a contest on detection of digestive tract diseases.